Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add QR code in Canva mobile app. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go on bottom, slide to the right, and here you will find this option apps. Just click on it. Okay, now type on the search bar QR code. Search it. Download this app QR code. Enter the URL and click on generate code. You can also customize it. Its background color, foreground color or margin. Again, click on generate code. Now, now as you can see, this QR code is generated. Uh, when you will scan this QR code, you will be redirected whatever link you have provided before. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.